Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair Roblox crash error. An unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit. To get started, open the control panel from Start, click on Install a program. After that, select Roblox Player and click Uninstall. Wait for this process to be completed. After this, right-click on the Start menu and select Run. In the window, enter app data %, click on OK. When the Explorer opens, click on App Data, go to the local folder. Here, select the Roblox folder and click Delete. After that, open the Windows Store, search Roblox, click on Roblox. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Finally, click Install. Wait for this process to be completed. Now click on Play to open Roblox. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.